Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to seminarsonstress.com. Today's video blog is on stress management. The question is, should I stop saying yes? I'm a person who likes to help others. I say yes to all good causes. I say yes to friends asking favors. I say yes to colleagues' requests. However, it's too much. Should I stop saying yes? Yes. Of course, we want to be nice and to be liked. Unfortunately, we spend too much time doing things for others, at work and at home, that we forget we need some time for ourselves. Learning to say no is an important part of simplifying our lives and managing our stress. When you say no to a new commitment, you're honoring your existing obligations and ensuring that you will be able to devote high-quality time to your efforts. It gives you time for focusing on what you do best and taking the time to do it right, and will help you minimize stress. Don't say yes if it will add stress to your life. Saying yes all of the time will exhaust you. Saying yes may avoid an awkward moment, but over time you'll become angry, resentful, overextended, and even more stressed because you feel like people are taking advantage of you. Practice simply saying no and offering a brief reason. Be honest. Try not to say phrases such as, "I'm not sure," or "I'll get back to you," because they will keep coming back. The sooner you say no, the better for you and the better for them, giving them time to find someone else. You could also consider offering an alternative. Instead of heading up the committee, offer to bring snacks to the meetings or just cut them a check instead. It may seem easier to say yes, but in the end, in the long run, you realize that what you have lost is control of your life, and that can cause a lot of stress. If your answer is always yes, then your choices are not yours. They're forced upon you by others. I'm going to say yes to no. I'm going to say no to yes. Does that make any sense? I will use more judicial restraint in a way when considering requests from others. Thank you for watching this video blog on stress management. And the question was, should I stop saying yes? It is a great trait to be helpful. However, it is also wise to not make commitments we might not be able to keep. If you and your coworkers are suffering from significant stress, contact me at kit@seminarsonstress.com and I will deliver a presentation packed with dozens of stress management strategies. Check back to seminarsonstress.com regularly for a new video blog.